Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Lebu and I share lifestyle content, motherhood content and everything in between. So guys, in today's video I just want to share with you signs that you might be pregnant, because I've been there, so I'm going to share the signs that I had, but I didn't know. I thought, no man, this is normal. I'm going to share the signs that I had first, and then I'm going to share signs that I know of but didn't have. I know you guys know signs of pregnancy, most like in Badala, but you never know. Maybe you might find something new. Kuti, hey, Nina, Auntie, all this time I'm doing this, I need to check myself. So guys, the first sign that you might be pregnant is your breast. Obviously. So with me, I started noticing my breast getting bigger, and I was like to my boyfriend, hey, my boobs look so nice, man. They look so nice and firm. And he was like, no, you're just imagining it. And I kept saying it over and over again before I experienced any other thing. Kanti, hey, girl, uthengile sana, uthengile, without any knowledge, without my permission, ibile. And then the second thing that I experienced was frequent urination. Yo, guys, I couldn't sleep throughout the night without going to the bathroom. Like, I couldn't. Sometimes I would try to just hold it in, but you know what, if I wake up now and then I'm gonna be awake for the rest of the night, so I'm not gonna go to the bathroom. But I was just lying to myself. I couldn't sleep through the night without going to the bathroom, and it was not even once, it would be 4 times, 3 times. So that's another sign. And another sign, 40, is your urine starts being smelly, because now it's not yours alone, it's yours and the hormones and for the baby. So I started noticing that, no man, maybe I'm not drinking enough water. I started drinking water, my urine was just smelling, and it was yellow, like goldish yellow. So I suspected, maybe I'm not drinking enough water, but it was not that. There was something inside so strong, but I didn't know. And another fourth sign that I experienced without knowing that I was pregnant is, I think they call it food aversions. If I'm not mistaken, don't come for me in the comment section. It's that thing of craving food, like craving certain food. I would go to work with my rice or maybe bab, because nice food, guys, nice. When I get there, I no longer want that. I want to God. Even at my workplace, there's a place that sells amagot. They knew my face, Jam. Sometimes I would go there and be like, 20 rand or 25, and they would just give it to me because they know 11 o'clock I'm there buying ikot. Even people at my workplace, they were like, hey, girl, you wanna get fed, like uzoba nomkhaba, stop eating ikota every now and then. And then others they were like, you and that kota. And I was just like, man, 20 rand, 25 rand, 30 rand yekota. Like, what the hell? I ate this food in the evening. So manje futhi, no, I don't want to repeat. Can't, hey, something inside is so strong. And then another thing, guys, I started getting bloated. Like, it was so bad. I would get bloated, like drink aboma, trying to release gas, but I would get so bloated. I would even leave my jeans open, and then cover with something, on top. But I didn't know I was pregnant. And another sign that I experienced, guys, I started gaining some complexion. Hey guys, if I could show you my pictures when I was pregnant. Hi Sana. Not this one. Not this. I gained complexion. I was so beautifully. My skin. I didn't have any of that. I got so beautiful, and I also gained a lot of complexion, you know. And I was like, didn't mind that day, something inside so strong. And also another thing, Kesana, that I experienced again, my hair, full of growth. And again, I have those type of hair, those hair, but my hair was looking so full and so rich, like it was so black. Hey Nina, like I got so beautiful, man. I know other people pregnant makes them look so, but for me it was a different story. Even people thought I was having a girl, Sana. I'm coming with a baby boy, so yeah. And then another thing, let me see, I didn't gain any weight. I think that's all. And I also started dreaming about swimming. I had a lot of those dreams, like those pregnant dreams, dreaming about eggs and dreaming swimming in clean water. And then this other time I dreamt that my grandmother, there was a very clean river, you could see even inside the river was so clean. My grandmother was on that other side and she was calling me like, and I was like, I'm coming. Hey, not knowing you, they say clean water is a sign of pregnancy. So it's either it's you or it's someone in your family or maybe even your friend, And then another thing, that now I'm moving to signs that I know but didn't experience. Obviously, it's weight gain. People will be gaining lot of weight, and then you start joining the gym, thinking you want to lose fat. Can't, no, something inside so strong. And also another thing that I've had people which they experience is hair breakage. So I had the opposite. Instead of my hair breaking, I had my hair getting fuller, and I was grateful for that, because guys, pregnancy is not your friend. It is not. It can show you flames, son. And also another thing that I've had, another sign, is feet getting bigger. People say that when they are pregnant, their feet get bigger. I don't know. I do not know. I don't want to lie and say, hey, I've seen Uban. This one, I've never saw it. I don't know. Maybe your feet gain weight, or maybe I don't know, guys. I don't know. And another sign also, Sana. A lot of people know the black line becomes blacker on your stomach, on your lower belly. Okay, it becomes so black and so suspicious. This is suspicious, but some people, man, I think even my younger sister Sana has that black line. You would think something inside, can like she's had it for, I don't know, like for years she's been like that, got like for some that's all I have for you today, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, you like this video, comment down below any other signs that I might have missed. Let's help each other. Hey, there are people who are searching for these things as we speak. They are searching on the internet signs of pregnancy. They are searching on YouTube signs of pregnancy. So comment down below, help a sister out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.